How I earned my first $500 online. No course needed. No gimmicks. No fluff. Just actionable steps that changed my life. The truth? Earning your first $500 online doesn't require expensive courses or insider secrets. It's about starting small and staying consistent. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps I took to earn my first $500 online. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Step 1. Finding my starting point. It all begins with one question. What are you good at? Before I jumped into any online money-making methods, I needed to figure out what I could offer. If you're just starting, this might be the hardest part, but it doesn't need to be complicated. What skills do you have? What do you enjoy doing? Is there something that comes naturally to you? For me, it was writing. But the key is to ask yourself, what can I offer that people are willing to pay for? I didn't have to be an expert in anything complicated. The beauty of earning money online is that you can start with simple skills and build from there. Whether it's writing, graphic design, photography, or even something like social media management, the key is to identify your strengths and interests. By understanding my skills, I was able to focus on what would be the most efficient use of my time. No need to pay for a course to figure this out. It's all about being honest with yourself and leveraging your natural talents. Step 2. Freelance writing. Now that I knew what I could do, it was time to dive in. But how? How do you actually get paid for writing online? The answer came quickly. Freelance writing. I turned to freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms are designed to connect freelancers with clients who need specific services. The beauty of freelance writing is that it doesn't require advanced degrees or years of experience, just a decent understanding of language and a willingness to work hard. I remember my first gig like it was yesterday. I created a profile on Upwork, showcasing my writing samples, which didn't have to be anything fancy. Just a couple of blog posts I had written for fun. Within a week, I landed my first writing gig. I earned $50 for a 500-word article. It might not sound like much, but it was enough to prove that this was possible. As the weeks went by, I gained more clients, raised my rates, and soon enough, I was making $100 per article. Freelance writing became my primary income stream, and before I knew it, I had earned over $500 from writing alone. Step 3. Paid online surveys. You might be wondering, can surveys really help you earn money? Are they just a waste of time? Well, I was skeptical too, but I decided to give it a shot. I signed up for reputable survey platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. These platforms reward you with points for completing surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. The key to making surveys work is consistency. I dedicated 30 minutes to an hour every day, completing surveys during my downtime. Sure, it wasn't going to make me rich, but it added up. Within a few weeks, I had earned an additional $50 to $100. These smaller earnings were important because they helped keep me motivated, and more importantly, they contributed to my goal of making $500 online. What made this method even better was that I didn't need to be an expert or have any experience to participate. It was easy to get started, and I could do it while watching TV or during breaks at work. That flexibility was a game changer. Step 4. Selling digital products. Making money while I slept. What if you could create something once and sell it over and over again? This is the magic of selling digital products. After seeing the potential of passive income, I decided to create and sell digital products, specifically printable planners and simple ebooks. This was a game changer for me. I used platforms like Etsy and Gumroad to list my products. These platforms make it easy to sell digital products and handle the payment and delivery process for you. I didn't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Once the product was created and listed, I could sit back and let the sales come in. My first sale came within a week. I remember refreshing my Etsy dashboard and seeing that I had made $5. It wasn't much, but it was the beginning of something big. Over time, I increased the variety of products I offered, focused on specific niches, and improved my marketing. Within a couple of months, I was consistently making passive income from these digital products. By the time I hit my $500 goal, digital product sales had played a huge role in getting me there. Step 5. Affiliate marketing. What if you could make money just by recommending products you love? Sounds like a dream, right? Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to earn online, and I quickly realized that it could help me reach my $500 goal. With affiliate marketing, I didn't have to create my own products. All I had to do was find products or services I liked, sign up for their affiliate programs, and start promoting them. But it's not as simple as just slapping a link everywhere. The key to successful affiliate marketing is trust. I started by selecting products that I genuinely believed in, things that align with my audience's interests. I integrated these links into my blog posts, social media posts, and even emails. I also made sure to provide real value to my audience, whether through a review or a tutorial. For example, if I was promoting a blogging tool, I'd write an in-depth review on how it helped improve my own content creation process. By doing this, I didn't just throw a link out there. I gave people a reason to click it. The results? Slowly but surely, affiliate sales started rolling in. In a couple of months, I earned over $100 from affiliate marketing alone. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once you set it up, it continues to generate passive income as long as people keep clicking your links. This helped me hit my $500 goal faster than I had anticipated. Step 6. User testing. Have you ever wanted to make money just by sharing your thoughts on websites and apps? That's exactly what user testing is all about. Companies pay people like you and me to test their websites and apps, providing feedback on what works and what doesn't. It's easy money if you have a few hours to spare. I signed up for platforms like user testing, where I could test websites and apps in exchange for cash. Each test was simple: navigate a site, follow instructions, and share my thoughts on the user experience. The pay was decent, between $10 and $50 per test, depending on its complexity. It wasn't something I could rely on full-time, but it definitely helped me boost my income and reach my $500 goal quicker. Plus, it was enjoyable. I got to try new products and give feedback from the perspective of an everyday user. Step 7. Time management. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I manage all of these things without burning out? Time management was crucial for me. With multiple income streams, I needed to stay organized and disciplined. I created a simple schedule, allocating specific hours of the day to each activity. Freelance writing in the morning, surveys in the afternoon, and product creation in the evening. What helped me the most was consistency. I made sure that every day, no matter how busy I was, I dedicated time to work on my online income sources. Even if I only had 30 minutes, I used that time to move closer to my goal. By staying disciplined and keeping track of my progress, I was able to earn consistently and avoid feeling overwhelmed. So, what's your biggest obstacle when it comes to earning money online? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to help you tackle it. Remember, your first $500 is just the beginning of a journey that could transform your life. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share how I earned my first $500 online. No course needed. No gimmicks. No fluff. Just actionable steps